Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spyder. Let's get Miami topless.
Alright, here we go. Like an Italian opera. Every time you get in this car, it's like an Italian symphony. What I love about the car is it's so smooth with the dual clutch, yet it's ruthless aggression when you hit it. That sound, it's just the power, it's just what makes Lamborghini Lamborghini. You hear that? That's the sound of success. And I love that sound, and the reason why what makes me love coming to work every day is because I deal with so many people from so many different business backgrounds. And to see them and to be able to experience the fruits of their labor when they work so hard to get to this point in life, and I get to enjoy that with them when they pick up their Lamborghini. And it's just that look in their face when they actually take delivery of the car, when they're getting in the car for the first time. Realizing that they're actually taking this car home and that it's theirs and they worked so hard for this, that's what makes me love coming to work every day. It really does. So it's just a blessing to be here and to experience this with all these different types of customers that I deal with. It's just an amazing thing. It's that, man. It's how people react. Look at that. Look at the joy that this car gives people. Lamborghini Miami. Honey, I'm home.